Advanced Legal English, Advanced Legal Vocabulary. And today our topic is contract law. That's the continuation of our previous lesson. So actually, we will learn and study, also wise, make out and analyze new vocabulary of advanced legal English for lawyers and teachers. If you would like to get more such kind of valuable advanced legal English lessons, kindly ask you to support my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos. Also, wise, you can easily download in all my materials through join, joining my Telegram channel. So I advise you to join my Telegram channel for easy downloading materials. Let's get started. So here it is actually the article, the paper regarding an explanation between B2C and B2B contracts and many other models as well. So, online contractual transactions are becoming increasingly common, and it's essential that those entering such transactions examine the terms and conditions carefully before clicking on I agree to indicate acceptance, as courts are inclined to uphold agreements accepted in this way. There are two main types of e-contracts: B2C contracts between businesses and consumers, and B2B contracts, which are between business and businesses. Obviously, there are jurisdictional issues that arise because of the global scope of the Internet, and agreements affect the jurisdiction and specify laws that will govern the transactions. Technology also brings with it other risks for companies. Data protection and privacy issues must be dealt with by companies to limit their exposure to liability. The need to regulate requirements concerning e-commerce contracts led to the setting up of UNCITRAL Model Law on Electronic Commerce in 1996 to set general conditions. It confirms that clicking I agree on a website it constitutes a valid form of consent and allows an offer to be made and accepted in electronic form. So UN cital mode laws have been enacted nationally worldwide and are also important for developing countries, as e-commerce greatly facilitates and protects new businesses in accessing new markets. However, as with paper-based contracts, electronic contracts are not automatically valid, and in disputes, courts consider whether the parties involved were fully aware of the terms. This sometimes involves deciding how clear the terms were in relation to the size of text or location on a website. Developments in the law governing e-commerce are continuing. Recently, we have seen a model law on electronic signatures, which has already been adopted by the national law of certain countries. Other developments currently being considered include an international treaty on jurisdiction and the enforcement of judgments and a global agreement on e-commerce taxation regulations. And let's go forward to our questions. Here are 7 questions with the deep explanations and the best solutions. First question is, why is it very important to read the terms and conditions of a contractual transaction online very carefully before clicking I agree? Because courts are far more inclined to uphold this method of agreement. Next, second question. What are the different types of e-contracts? B2C contracts are between business and a consumer. B2B contracts are between two businesses. Third question. What specific problems can businesses have concerning e-contracts? That's data protection and privacy issues. Next, fourth question. What global standard is there to harmonize regulations concerning e-commerce contracts? UN Central Model Law on Electronic Commerce. Fifth, why is e-commerce important for developing countries? Because it reduces costs for new businesses to access new markets. Sixth question. What do courts consider in disputes over validity of e-contracts? Awareness of terms and their clarity, size, and location on the website. And the last question is what other developments are happening in the field of e-commerce control? Law governing electronic signatures, International Treaty on Jurisdiction and Enforcement of Judgments, and Global Agreement on E-commerce tax regulations. So that's all for our advanced legal English lesson and advanced legal English vocabulary lesson. Kindly ask you to like my video lesson and thanks for watching.